Hi, I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of e with the power of 2x divided by 1 plus e with the power of 4x dx. Okay, you can solve this integral using the substitution rule. So if you define e with the power of 2x as u, therefore you can conclude that 2e 2x dx will be equal to du. Therefore, e with the power of 2x dx will be equal to 1 divided by 2 du. Okay, so all you need to do now is to substitute these two expressions into this integral. Okay, so you can rewrite this integral as uh, yeah instead of e2x dx, you see here I have e2x dx. I simply write 1 divided by 2 du. Okay, divided by 1 plus, instead of e with the power of 4x, I write u2 because e with the power of 2x is u, therefore e with the power of 4x will be equal to u2. Okay, and from table of integral, you know that the integral of du divided by a2 plus u2 is equal to 1 divided by a tangent minus 1 u divided by a plus c. Okay, so here you can use this formula to solve this integral, and note that a here is equal to 1. Therefore, this integral will be equal to 1 divided by 2, that is this constant, 1 divided by a, and a is 1, therefore this will be 1 times tangent minus 1 u divided by a, which is 1 in this case, plus c, which is the constant of the integral. So here, all you need to do is to substitute the parameter u with the definition of u, which is u is equal to e2x. Therefore, this one will be equal to 1 divided by 2 tangent minus 1. Instead of u, I write e with the power of 2x plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.